But my plan today is to cook some, make a little stew on my skillet, my pan here. It's a deep pan, so I brought some beef, some mushrooms, onions, red peppers, some cream, and spices, etc. And hopefully I can make myself a delicious beef stew. And actually it's the first time I'm gonna use this one. It's a Firewood Stove, a portable one from Robbins, and I'm not sponsored or anything, but I actually did make a video about this little portable wood stove, and you can find the video in my playlist, Outdoor Gear and Reviews, and I will put a link in the description as well. But in that video I actually assemble it, test it, and I cooked a cup of tea on it, but I still haven't tried to use it, to cook proper food, and I'm not sure if it's fit for that. The fire chamber is very small, I would say, and hopefully I brought a lot of wood and hopefully I can get the fire burning and have some embers, like if it was a campfire. And I brought my skillet here, my iron cast pan, deep pan. So that's my plan for today, to try to cook on this one. I've been looking forward to try it out. We have the mushrooms. This is gonna be rustic food, just the way I love it. There's just something, about not just cooking out here in the nature. I love cooking in the nature, I love this idea of keeping it simple, and that's what you do when you cook out here. I do, at least. But also, maybe it's, I don't know, it's an illusion, but it feels like the food just tastes better. I don't know what it is, but I'm sure you know the feeling or the taste of food made in nature on open fire. You know, just the combination of the smell of the fire, the smell of the food, and the smell of the nature, and kind of it all is kind of an ingredient in the food. I don't know if it makes any sense, but maybe it's also because it brings us back, you know, the feeling of being back to basics, back to where we came from, you know, when we made food in nature on the campfire thousands of years ago, maybe. That feeling of being connected to nature, being connected to the ingredients, growing them, harvesting, hunting, and all in all, this whole process ends on the plate and in your mouth. Yeah, there's just something about that holistic way of making food. Yeah, does it make sense? You know, you're very welcome to share your thoughts about this or your experiences about this. Just put it in the comments, and I always love to hear about other people's you know, feelings and experiences and thoughts about this. Some butter on. We put on the beef. Right now I actually think it's going well. It's smoking a lot. Probably some of the bad wood I brought. But that said, it's very hot, very warm. Plenty of heat for the pan, so that's great. Put some salt on here. Pepper. And paprika. So I will add some cream to this. But I think we are almost done. This is not like cooking a stew that will simmer for hours, and the meat will be very tender. I love to do that as well sometimes, but that's not possible, I think, on this this little portable wood burner. Finally, some parsley. For toppings. It's very warm right now, so I'll just wait a minute or two. It's actually quite cozy with this firewood oven. It's still pretty cold here in Denmark at this time of year, so it's actually very nice to bring this on a tour like this to a place where I can't make a campfire after all. Yeah. So far I'm happy, but now let's see if I stay happy. It looks good. Yeah, very creamy, okay spicy. The mushrooms, the onions, pepper, salt, paprika, yeah, the cream. But it is good. And you know, it's so simple. I know this is no big deal. It's not great gastronomy. But as I started mentioning, cooking outside in nature just makes everything taste much better. Maybe that's just it right now. I guess it is. Hopefully it will be enough. It's still pretty warm. So, water is boiling. It's so nice. You know, I love these days, these tours or trips into the nature. Hopefully I will see you again in some of my other videos, and until then, just have a wonderful time out there in the nature, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye.